If you're considering moving your documents to SharePoint, there are a lot of things that you need to take into account before you do so. This is why Adepteq offer SharePoint document management workshops, because we can then show you the full features and functionality that's available within SharePoint, because it's a lot greater than your users will be used to from working with network drives or other document sharing platforms. The workshop typically covers all the key areas around document libraries, version control, approvals, retention policies, user permissions and the security element around that, and of course external and internal sharing of documents, how best to deal with that. We often deliver multiple workshops for organisations, often departmentally, because we find it isn't one size fits all, that how the accounts department manage their documents can be very different to how the sales department manage their documents. Our workshops are typically delivered remotely through Teams or other platforms, or they can be delivered on site at your premises, which often works better because we can spend more time with the people. Also, when we're doing the workshops, we spend time discussing your documents and how your documents are currently structured and set up, and start thinking and planning about how you would move those into SharePoint and the structure you'd have when you move forward. So what are the benefits for you? Well, first of all, our workshops provide a platform to educate your key people so they can understand what options that they have, so you can get it right first time. We're parachuted into a number of places by Microsoft where document migrations haven't worked, where they've used a typical lift and shift methodology and it hasn't really worked for SharePoint and you're not getting the benefits. We ensure you get it right first time. Secondly, all attendees will learn a lot about SharePoint, which will help with then the adoption of your final solution and make them feel involved and be part of the decision-making process, rather than it be something that another department or the IT team has foisted upon people. Start your migration to SharePoint today by contacting Adepteq and booking your initial workshop.